Okay, a few more points about function notation. We introduced it in the last video, and we said that notation of the form f of x is equal to something is called function notation. And this can be read f of x or f at x, and you'll probably hear both from different people or at different times. We said that f is the name of the function, and x is the input variable. We also said to remember that these brackets surrounding the input variable don't mean multiplication. You're not multiplying f by x here. F is the name of the function, like secret identity was when we were discussing the superhero to secret identity function. And x is the input variable. So you're not multiplying, even though we're used to thinking of brackets meaning multiplication. They don't in this instance. A few more points. So we said that f of x represents the output of a function named f when the input is x. Now in the past, we've been using y to represent the output. X has always been the input, but y has been the output. Now we're going to use f of x. But f of x is interchangeable with y. And so the same goes when we're talking about graphs. F of x will represent the y coordinate on a graph. So f of x is interchangeable with y and also on graphs. So let's take a look at a graph. Here, this graph made up of these little line segments is f of x. And that's told to you here, stating that y is equal to f of x. It's telling you that this graph is representing the function f. So if it asks you to find f of 3, it's asking you to find the y value when x is 3. Remember that the input here is x. So this is asking you what is y when x equals 3. Find f of 3 is asking you the same thing. What is y when x is 3? So to figure that out, we would go to the graph, x1, 2, 3. So x is 3 at this point on the graph, and this is the point 3, 4. And we find 4, of course, by looking across at the y-axis. So that's the point 3, 4. So that means when x is 3, y is 4. Or in other words, f of 3 is equal to 4. Again, f of x and y are interchangeable. So f of x represents the y value on a graph. Find f of 3 means find the y value when x is 3. And in this case, the y value when x is 3 is 4. So f of 3 is equal to 4. All we had to do was look it up on the graph.